Good morning and welcome to another First Chapter Friday. I'm really excited about the book I'm going to share with you today. It's written by one of my favorite authors, Dusti Bowling. You might be familiar with her books, the Life of a Cactus series. There's a couple of books in that series. There's 24 Hours in Nowhere, which is fantastic. And this one is also pretty amazing, and I wanted to share it with you. This is The Canyon's Edge. One of the things I like about this book is that this book is a little bit of a combination. It's written like a story in prose, and it's also written in verse, like a novel in verse. So it's a little bit of both. And I love the transition and how she uses that to tell this story. It's an amazing story. And I think I'm just going to share chapter 1 with you today. It's a pretty short chapter, but I hope it makes you wonder what's going to happen next. Chapter 1. I walked to the Jeep in the middle of the cold, dark desert night. Dad is already stuffing our supplies into the back, the tailpipe blowing steam tinted red by tail lights. We need an early start. It's going to take a while to reach the place where no one can find us. Dad lifts a hand and pats my rumpled hair. Tired? He asks. I nod. He pushes my backpack toward me. Why don't you double check it? I open my bag as Dad digs through his own and mumbles. It feels like I'm missing something. His words hit me right in the chest. We are missing something. We'll always be missing something. Shivering, I zip up my pink hoodie, which I got at Sunset Crater. It says, "Get out there." But this is the first time we'll be getting out there since our family went from 3 to 2. Pushing those thoughts away, I sort through the supplies Dad put in my pack. Water bottles, sunblock, helmet, almonds, protein bars, and my favorite flavor of electrolyte powder, watermelon. He remembers. I smile up at him, but he's now ripping everything out of his pack. I know I'm forgetting something, he says, his voice rising. He pulls out rope for rappelling, cams for climbing, carabiners for carrying, gloves for gripping, and harnesses to hold us. Touching his arm, I say, I think we have everything, though it feels like a lie. He continues emptying his pack until he pulls out one last item. Gun. I stumble backward, choking on my own breath. Dad looks back at me and immediately sets it down. He takes me into his arms, much thinner than they used to be. I'm sorry, Nora, he whispers. It's just a flare gun. My heart pounds so hard. I'm sure Dad can feel it. I doubt we'll ever need to use it, Dad says, patting my back. Hey, it's gonna be a good day. Dad looks up. Almost no moon, he says. Did you hear about those bones they found on the moon? My head snaps back. What? He grins. I guess the cow didn't make it. I groan. Oh my gosh, Dad. He gives my long hair a gentle tug, then stuffs everything back in his pack and slams the hatch shut. He limps around to the driver's side and gets in. He seems more like himself today than in a very long time. It really might be a good day. That's chapter 1, The Canyon's Edge. I hope you give it a try. I know you're going to love it. It's a fantastic book. Have a great day.